Welcome to this lecture. List.insert method. The list.insert method inserts an item at a given position in a list. The method takes two arguments, index and item. The index is the position in the list before which to insert the item defined in the second argument. Both arguments are required. To insert an item at the beginning of our list, we will do the following. We have a list things and has elements. Second, print the original list things, insert value at index 0, thing.insert, insert the element first at index 0, print the updated list things to see the result, run the cell. Our original list is this and our updated list is this, which has a element second at the end. List.remove. The list.remove method removes from the element the first element whose value matches the argument item that is passed in. Let's see a simple example. Print original list things and remove first element and remove first list item. Things.remove first, print updated list so to see the result, run the cell. Original list first, second. Original list had elements first, second, and the updated list has element only first. First is removed from the original list. List.pop method. The list.pop method removes the item at the given index of the list and returns it. The index is an optional argument, and if it is not passed in, the method will remove the last item in the list. The following code shows how it works. We have a list items and has elements first, second, third. Print original list, print the elements of list items, pop the element at index 1, items.pop at index 1. This means second is popped. Print updated list items to see the result, run the cell. Okay. The original list is this and has elements first, second, third, and pop element is second, and now the updated list will become first, third. List.clear. As the name suggests, the list.clear method removes all items from a list. An alternative to this method would be delete a square brackets colon. See example of list.clear method. Items.clear. Empty list will be printed. Print items to see the result. The out will be an empty list. List.index. The list.index method returns the index of the first item in the list whose value is item. The parameters start and end are optional. To search the entire list, simply pass in the item parameter like this. Things first, second, third. Print index of element. Print things.index of second. The output will be index of second element second of list things. To see the result, run the cell. 1 is the index of element second in the list things. An example of where the start and end parameters are specified is as follows. Things has elements first, second, third, and fourth. Print things.index second 1 up to 3. Run this cell to see the output. The second is at index 1. If the specified item is not found in the list, Python raises a value error as follows. We have a list things and has following elements. Print things.index fifth. Run this code. It will raise an error. Fifth is not in list because fifth is not present in the list in anywhere. List.count. The list.count method returns the number of times the given item occurs in the list. Let's see example. Things is a list and have elements first, second, third, fourth. Print things.count fourth to see the result, run the cell. 2. It's mean the occurrence of element fourth has 2 times in the list things. Another useful method of lists is list.sort method. The list.sort method sorts the items of the list. Let's see example of sorting. We have a list numbers and have an integers 1, 3, 4 and 2. Print the original list. Print the original list and print the number of elements of lists. Print the elements of list numbers. Print sorting list of integers in ascending order. Number.sort. Print list in ascending order. Sorting list of integers in descending orders. List.sort reverse is equal to true. List in descending order numbers. To see the output, run the cell. Our original list is unsorted list 1, 3, 4, 2, and list in ascending orders is 1, 2, 3 and 4, and list in descending order 4, 3, 2 to 1. List.reverse. The list.reverse method reverses the elements of the list. Let's see example to reverse elements of a list. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Print original list. Print original list. Numbers. Print reverse lists. Numbers.reverse and print the reverse list. See the result. Run the cell. This is the original list and this is the reverse list. List.copy. The list.copy method returns a shallow copy of a list. For example, initializing a list, we have a list 1 and has elements 1, 2 up to 4. Now we print the original list. Print original list 1. Print use copy to create a shallow copy. We take another list. List 2 is equal to list 1 dot copy. Printing the new list created. List 2. Print add new element to new list. List.append to 5. Printing list after adding new element. No change in old list. Print old list and print new list. To see the result, run this code. This is the original list 1, 2, 3, 4. The new list created, it's mean list number 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Old list 1, 2, 3 and new list. This. Thank you very much. See you in the next lecture.